Welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. I am going to do a flip through of this little Fairies, Fae, and Butterfly journal. The digital kit is in my shop, the full-size one. I have a mini kit that I used to make this journal in my Facebook group. You just have to come over and join, and you will be able to download it. So it is 4.5 inches wide by 6 inches tall, and there's really probably half an inch spine because it's just gotten bigger. I have a string closure. So what happens with it, it just folds over right there. So that gives it more room to grow too. I just thought that would be the best kind of closure to put on it. So you can wrap it around and tuck it in. This is stitched. Everything in it should be stitched, sewing machine stitched. I have a laminating sheet that I put in this window envelope because this is made from an envelope or a couple of envelopes for the cover. You have the grommets right here and this little flap that goes on it. There is a journaling card. Here's some, see, these are mini. I did make this a mini kit, so you have little journaling cards. I put in a hidden paper clip that matches and has some of the colors of the rest of the kit. Just slides on. That back under there. I did leave these strings on everything. I don't usually, but I'm trying to leave them because I know some people like them and it's easier to cut them off. Well, if you cut them off, you can't put them back on. So I'm leaving them, and whoever gets this journal can snip them off if they want. So there are tags, journaling pockets. These little pages are from Rickety Snippets. You can find her, I believe, on Etsy. I'll have to look. We did the stenciling on the back of that. There's just an extra little scrap of paper that I put in, another journaling card, and another tag. So I haven't decorated this a lot because I wanted to leave it for whoever gets it. That's some of the fun of getting a journal. I used some of this book page in this journal, so I just put the extra in here. Another journaling card. Or tag. This is a tag with another journaling card. And then I had these little calendars from 2021 I just stuck in here. Thought they would be cute. You have lined paper, another little tuck. This is from Rickety Snippets. I did coffee dye all these coffee dye pages. This one's from Rickety Snippets. It went really well with this kit. So you got an envelope in here with a pocket. And then on the other side of that, you have another pocket that just those fit into. Over here, you got a pocket plus tag. One problem I find when I'm making journals is that I don't want to cover up the pretty pages. So it makes it hard. Then you got feathers over here, Rickety Snippets. And I stenciled on the back. This is my digital, the beautiful girl. 2 journaling cards and a tuck spot. This journal came out really nice. I like how it came out. I did leave these long, so if somebody wanted to put dangles and stuff on it, I put this calendar on there with a little tag and a tuck spot. Rickety Snippets. A journaling card that I put on some index cards, and I made these. I showed you how to make the little written ones in the video in part 3. So if you're interested in that, you can go over there and check that out. It will be going up tonight. Another envelope. So I wasn't sure if this went or not, but I tucked it in there because it has the black and the beige, so it's not glued. Here's another one of Rickety Snippets in a tuck. I didn't cut that straight. Let me see if I can get it back. And here is an up tuck. So if you watch the video, they have a butterfly. Or it's either a butterfly or some fountain pen ink. It's upside down, so I put that there and that fixed that problem. Over here there's another tuck with some more little pieces of coordinating paper. The other side of Rickety Snippets. So then here is the back. Same thing, I cut that in crooked too. It'll be alright. So now you got this back. You open it up, you have a pocket here. And I'll put some journaling cards in. And over here I have this little envelope with a little ticket or a little thing inside of it. And here is another laminated envelope window that I put her in. Like I said, I didn't do a lot of decorating to this because I wanted to leave it for whoever gets it. That way they can make this their own. So you could fold this like this, but it's a little full. And then when you fold it over, this here could just go around. Or this is the way I had it folded. It's like this. And then fold this around. I had thought about tying this little string, but I didn't know if I wanted to or not in the back. So then this does come with all of this little stuff that's extras from, I've got some little hearts and hexagons and squares. Part of the book that pages I used. This was a journaling tag I made a while back and I thought went really well with this kit because of the colors. So this comes with it. And let me give you the specifications. I gave you the size. Put that in there. So the size is 4.5 by 6. There are 2 belly bands, 60 pages counting all sides, 20 cards, 6 tags, 11 pockets, 3 envelopes, 5 tucks, and 1 paper clip, hidden paper clip. So I will be putting this up in my shop today or tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you go look at how this was made. Like I said, I got 3 videos on it. I did one for the cover, one for the signature, and then one for the ephemera. So if you're new here, it'd be great if you hit that subscribe button. If you've been here a while and you're new, you can leave me a comment on what you think about this cute little journal. You can leave me even an emoji, a little heart or truck or flowers, butterflies, leaves. There's just hundreds of emojis on your phone, but you can just leave me one so I know you stopped by, and I will come check you out if you have a YouTube channel. So thank you guys and have a great day.